Ready, start. This is not an unknown phenomenon that there are policemen, maybe very few in numbers, who show their loyalty more to such gangster than to their department for the reasons best known to them. Stop. Such policemen tarnish the image, name and fame of police, and it is necessary that suspicious police personals should be taken to task and their conduct should be regularly monitored, for which a mechanism should be evolved, and if it exists already, the same should be geared up at different levels. Stop. There is a concerning trend that one or other political party welcomes gangsters and criminals involved in organized crime in the party and try to back and protect them, is painting and spreading the imaginary image of Robin Hood. Stop. They are given tickets to contest elections and sometimes they win also. Stop. This trend needs to be stopped as soon as possible. All the political parties should sit and together a decision is required to be taken by them that gangsters and criminals will be discouraged in politics and no political party will give ticket to them in public elections. Stop. The political parties should rise to the occasion and must guide themselves, keeping in view that there cannot be a concept of my criminal and his criminal, or my man and his man, as a gangster is gangster only and is required to be condemned from all corners, and even people voters should also take note of it while making their choice for a candidate in a general election. Stop. We must have the idea in mind that if we are interested with responsibility of nation building, our responsibility is to think about the future generation to whom we have to hand over a legacy. Stop. We need to ponder what kind of nation and society we want to leave for our future generation. Stop. A sooner decision is necessary lest one day these gangsters and criminals will become Bhasmasur and will give such serious dent to the country and democratic setup which cannot be repaired. Stop para. The pursuit of life, liberty, and peace includes freedom from crime. The state's foremost duty is to provide these basic rights to each citizen. The success of criminal justice system can only be measured by how successful it is in ensuring these rights in word and spirit. Stop. The extent to which these rights are successfully protected will be reflected in the confidence of the public in the system. Stop. The organized crime should be treated differently from traditional individual criminality. Conspiracy is an integral aspect of organized crime. There cannot be a direct evidence of conspiracy in such cases, and the law has to deal with organized crime on a footing different from that individual or conventional crime as regards admissibility and appreciation of the evidence. Stop para. The discussion aforesaid certainly goes to show that the nature of offence and amount of culpability is serious, heinous, shocking, and unprecedented. Stop. It is also evident that the main accused persons had prior information of the police raid, and naturally, in the present set of facts, this information was revealed by police, which not only made the main accused persons alert but also provided them fullest opportunity to prepare for attack and commit such a horrendous crime in which 8 police personals, including the circle officer, sustained gunshot injuries and died.